Hi everyone. Today we talk about the full stack developer. How to become a full stack developer? Full stack developer have three parts like UI, backend, and database. Hmm. So backend and database. Database is also a separate developer, like they call a DBA, database administrator. Do they handle only a database like SQL Server, query optimization, everything they handle a database called a DBA. DBA. Okay, and here is the only backend developer. So they're called a backend developer, and there is a only UI developer. So they call a only a UI developer. If some developer knows everything like UI, backend, and database, so if they know all three things, so called a full stack developer. In a full stack developer, we talk about from UI. UI means how to become a UI developer. So you should know HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, Angular, or React, jQuery, and JavaScript. If you want to become a UI developer, so you should know this at least this much technology you should know. If you want to backend only, if you want to only a backend developer, so you should know like CISA is a primary language, and you have a OOPS concept. OOP concept is mainly every day, everywhere, like Java, Python, jQuery, sorry, JavaScript, Python, and every technology use a OOPS concept. And after the in a .NET framework is .NET framework from starting is a ASP.NET Classic, and after that in ASP.NET, and after ASP.NET they have MVC, .NET Core, and Web API, Window Application, and WPF and WCF, and then comes Edu.NET and Entity Framework. We talk about a .NET Framework. .NET Framework is also a three-part, also a three-part. Like you, one is the waveform developer, and other is a window application developer, and third one is a WPF developer. .NET Framework is also a three. .NET Framework is also a three. Like here you can see wave developer, and after that window application. So they call a window application developer, and after that a WPF, like window presentation foundation developer. This is also a three different developer. If you want to know everything, so you can say that you are a full stack developer. And after that, if you want to API developer, so there is the API developer, and also you should WCF is also a data passing things from one server to other server. And after the edu.net and entity framework. Edu.net and entity framework is a connection, the connection between uh, database and uh, form, form application and database. So the bridge, here is a bridge between communication between SQL server in your MVC application through edu.net or entity framework. Here you can see. After, if you are a fresher, you should only know HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, that is fine, and little bit of jQuery and JavaScript. After that, you should must know C Sharp, OOPS, and you can start any technology like any waveform application like ASP.NET, MVC. And nowadays, we can see what very famous things is .NET Core, and .NET 7. You can see the .NET 6 and 7 nowadays in 2023 in March. The .NET 6 is a good, and .NET 5 is also we can see. And after that, you have some experience like 1 year and 2 years, so you can come here. Some experience, you have some 1 year, 2 year experience, so you can come here. Come here, like design pattern, design principle, link queue, microservice, Azure, Jira, and Git, SVN, and TFS. You should also know about that. Git, TFS, and SVN, like from starting. From starting, you can learn any of the three, Git, SVN, or TFS. Because of you, if you want to store somewhere your code, you write some day by day code, you have to store somewhere. So you can use SVN or TFS. SVN, we can talk about details in other video, like TFS, how to work TFS, Git, and SVN. And we talk about the, like, if you want to become a full stack developer and your starting salary, if you're like one year experience, so they depends on company. Like company, like for you give a stipend only 5,000 or 3,000. If you want to clear some eh, good interview, so they offer also 15K in first year, 15 15K. And after that, the based on experience and based on knowledge, you got more. So not an issue about the salary package. If you want to understand good, then you got good package. And for details, HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, Angular, and jQuery, JavaScript, and this much we we can understand in our details in upcoming video. Then thank you, thank you.